What's up, guys? So today I'm going to be doing a review on Kastar, or whatever you want to call it. Okay, right over there. You can see it. But anyways, okay, this brand, I've been using this brand for a while now, and I bought it on eBay because we can't get anything shipped through Amazon due to the fact that it's a battery, but for some odd reason eBay always ships it out, so I get it from eBay. If anybody's asking that live in Hawaii, eBay is your best bet, or straight from the manufacturer. So this particular battery is an aftermarket one. It is way cheaper than if you get like these Sony NPFs or the original batteries like Canon. So I bought Canon, I bought these NPFs. I bought one for my old camcorder, and it's pretty good. The only thing I don't like about this is once in a while you'll actually get a dud or a defective battery. For example, you buy the 5-pack, there's a high chance that one of them will be a dud and it won't hold a charge, or something like this would happen. You can see right here, I had this mounted on my sound devices sound recorder, and the metal actually pulled out. You can see that. It yanked out, and then this whole metal assembly just came off. The contacts just came off, and I got to get this replaced. But other than that, I've been having good results from this brand. Again, the only thing I don't like is sometimes you get those duds. But this is a very cheap alternative to the OEM batteries, which is like triple the prices of these things. So let me double check how much this costed. So something like this cost me around 20 bucks for 2 pieces, and they have better deals on eBay, but that's the price on Amazon. This is a 21 watt hour. So again, great build, same like the OEM, like really identical. The other problem with this thing is if you do get an aftermarket battery, just be prepared to have an error on your camera or whatever device you're using. But mostly depending on the brand or what you're using it for. So for example, if you use this for a camera, the camera will actually detect it as not OEM, and it actually reads as 0 sometimes, or the gauge doesn't work good with this. But for example, you have a full charge and you look at your meter on your screen, it's gonna say 0, or like it's gonna be off. Just gotta make sure that this thing doesn't run out on you.